Hi everybody, it's Ron at Oglethorpe County Crystals, and we are here up at our property we affectionately call Pine Ridge. I'm here with the kids, and we are going to do a little bit of digging in our new trenches that were dug just back in March. We had an awesome group up, including Amber Monroe, Brian Major, Amos Cunningham, J.J. Johnson, and myself. So we're going to go dig some crystals and see what we find. So I'm here in one of the trenches, and we just had a huge storm. Tropical storm Debbie came through, dumped lots of rain, so I think we're going to find a lot of stuff on the surface and the tailings that have been washed clean. So we'll take a look and see what we find. Very cool. I like it. Nice.
Accordingly.
Nice.
Here.
Oh, look at that tiny little one right there. It's perfect. Tiny little crystal. This one was just sitting right on top. Got cleaned off by the rain. And it's perfect. It's got a little iridescence in it. So after about an hour of sifting through some of the tailings and looking in the trench, really didn't do much digging. I'm going to see what we came up with. Found this big giant cluster, I guess you'd call it. It's the beginning of the opening of a pocket. And it's got some really cool points on it. Beautiful. A bunch of other clusters. Just a nice piece here that'll clean up nicely. This is a smoky cluster. Pretty cool. Somebody's doing some off-season target practice. Getting ready for deer season coming up soon. Look at this nice cluster of points with some feldspar. Still really dirty, but pretty. Some hematite in there. It's a nice piece. There's a characteristic point. Found a lot of these on this property. In a cluster of a few points. This is interesting. It's some quartz and feldspar, or feldspar and quartz. It's a nice little cluster here. Love being up here. Nobody cares how much you shoot, when you shoot. Just come on out here in the woods and shoot. It's an interesting piece here. Cluster should clean up nicely. Another nice point.